Hey YouTube, it's SJ here, and today I'm unboxing the Nike Air Max Red Curry. Oh yeah, Nike Air Max, you heard right, let's get to it. Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back, and we're going to unbox this box from Nike in a moment. A pair of Air Max for me, which is a first since I was about 13. So we're going to speed up about... That wasn't bad, was it? Was it? So, as I said, I haven't had a pair of these since I was 13, so I'm quite excited. You know, I'm quite a stickler for shoes, sorry, people. And tend to wear the same sort of thing again and again. Like, my style hasn't changed in forever. So these are a little bit off-piste for me. So we've got a red Nike box, sneaker cam, and let's read this out. These are the Nike Air Max 1 Premium Retro. They're a UK 6, a US 7, European 40, Brazilian 38, CM 25. That's interesting because they're not a CM 25.5 like all my others are. Mr. B, did you order the 39 or the 40? Okay, this is interesting. So the colour is tough red mushroom, tough red / mushroom rush red. Okay, and the code for you Cody geeks out there is 9083666600. Let's have a look at these. Sorry, I'm making lots of banging noises today. Oh my word. They're very red. They're very red, Mr. B. They're very red. Camera number 2, and they look tiny. Okay, so these are the... Let's get them both out, sorry. Get them both out. Let's get the box out the way. Now these are the Red Curry, and Nike last week released the Curry Pack. So there were 3 versions of this shoe, 3 versions of the Curry Pack, and the original colorway actually released back in 2003, so some 15 years ago. So they released on the 10th of May the OG colorway, then on Saturday the 12th of May they released the green curry and the red curry. And if you've seen our streams, I've been talking about a red pair of shoes for ages, and I've been really fancying the Air Max, so I decided to go for the red curry. And I have to say, these are really stunning. That's a really nice red. It's a really nice burgundy red round on the heel here. It's slightly brighter red on this middle panel, the red suede mudguard. Then you've got this really nice colorway which looks more golden than it actually looked online. Would you agree with that, Mr. B? Is the camera picking that as like a golden beige? He's not really agreeing with me, but it's a really nice colorway, really strong. I really like the look of these. And the white is like super bright white, and I guess we've got very bright lights in this room, so it's probably making it even brighter. There is a bit of color bleed actually. See if camera 2, can you see that? There's colour bleed just there from the red suede onto the white. Mr. B on sneaker cam, I'm not sure whether you'll pick this up. A little bit of colour bleed, but it's a really nice shoe. Red on the Air Max, I don't know what it is, but it really seems to suit the Air Max 1 shape. I really liked obviously the Atmos with the red accentuations on the leopard print. It just looks so nice, and this is a really nice shape. And Mr. B has a university red Air Max 1 that dropped late last year as well. There is a little mark, let me just get that off. I don't know whether that was on the box or just grass lurking. Now, as I said, these are looking tiny, so I'm a little bit worried that they're not going to fit me. Let's see if there's any detail. Take this out. See if there's any detail, anything inside. No, guys, I'm afraid, sneaker cam, it just says Nike Air inside. So there's no surprises on this shoe, but it is just a super nice, strong shoe, I feel. I don't really know what else there is to say about that. Mr. B, do you liking these? On the old sneaker cam, get the thumbs up from you. They certainly get the thumbs up from me. I just hope they fit, guys. Really hope they fit. I'll be a bit gutted if they don't, but I think these are still sitting, so fingers crossed they don't fit. I can size up. So what do we think, guys? You like? Good cop? Not? Did any of you pick up any of the colorways from the curry pack that was out? Am I saying that right, Mr. B? So guys, let me know, did you pick up one of the 3 colorways in the curry pack? The red, the green, the dark. What did you get? Let me know your thoughts on these. If they fit, I'm wearing them out tonight, which is why I'm wearing a little red number, but we will get an on feet of these out for you. As always, as I said, leave the comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, you know, let us know what you think. And don't forget, if you're wondering why you're not being notified when we upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we stream on Sundays, don't forget, hit the old notification button, which is about here, because that way YouTube will let you know when we upload or go live. As I said, streaming Sundays, sneaker streaming Sundays, do come along and join us. 8 p.m. BST, 12 p.m. on the Pacific, 3 p.m. on the East Coast. We chat about sneakers, what's in the news, what's on our feet. It's good fun. Come along and join the sneaker chat. And as always, we really appreciate the comments. So let us know what you think. Whew, I need a drink now. Let's go out for that drink, Mr. B. Let's go out for that drink. Hopefully they fit and I can rock these. Right, see you soon, Pint of Stuff. Over and out. Is that okay?